So a while back, I did a video on how to get a woman wet in bed, where I gave you specific actions that can trigger a waterfall down there. And today I want to do something similar, but with one simple twist. I want to show you how to make her wet using just your words. Touching and kissing, stimulation, penetration, all play vital roles in the bedroom, but you can really drive a woman wild using the power of your words. And only a handful of men know how to do this. And the ones who do satisfy women at a level most can't. So it's time for you to join that elite group of sexual rock stars and add this new skill to your arsenal so you can give your sexual partners the most exciting and arousing experience they've ever had. So watch this video to the very end so that you do not miss anything. And let's dive in. My name is Marni, and from here on out, I am going to be your very own personal wing girl. It is my job to give you the insider info about what women really want versus what they say they want, plus the most effective methods to win over any girl you like. So just hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. But before I dive into this week's video, I wanted to quickly chat with your third brain, your penis. Penis. In order for you to put what I teach in this video to use, you gotta be performing at your best, which is why, penis, I am so excited to tell you about today's video sponsor, Joy Mode. So Joy Mode makes natural, science-backed sexual wellness products for men. Joy Mode was created because the products on the market, like prescriptions and over-the-counter gas station pills, are terrible for you and can hurt you in the long run. I would much rather that you take a supplement designed to spice things up naturally rather than a prescription pill that can have harmful effects down the road. So whether you're happy or unhappy with your performance in the bedroom, why not perform even better? Joy Mode's sexual performance booster is like a pre-workout but for sex. So you just take it 45 minutes to 5 hours before you have sex, and you can expect to get one of your best erections. So penis, if you want to spice things up in the bedroom and boost your sexual performance, and you want to do it naturally without prescriptions and drugs, then give Joy Mode a try. Just go to usejoymode.com/Marni or use Marni at checkout for 20% off your first order. That is joymode.com/Marni for 20% off your order. And let's get started with this video. There are so many ways to talk dirty in the bedroom, but I want to focus on the simplest and most reliable one today, which is showing your desire and your appreciation. Research shows that feeling desired is the #1 female turn-on of all time. It is the one thing that gets women excited the most in a sexual situation, being wanted. And I've interviewed thousands of women who say exactly the same thing. Unfortunately, most men don't know this, and they don't vocalize their sexual desire in the bedroom. They just go about their business in a rather silent manner, maybe a little moaning or grunting, which is fine, but hardly anything said. Now, this is understandable because saying dirty things can feel really embarrassing. I get it, I felt it. Most of us are shamed for expressing our sexuality most of our lives, and it's natural to develop a sense of shyness or discomfort when discussing sexual topics or talking dirty. But if you want to take your sexual experiences to that next level and keep your partner coming back for more, you need to get over that embarrassment and learn to talk dirty. Not even dirty, just learn to talk. So I'm going to give you a super easy exercise at the end of this video that is going to help you do that, get over that hump. But for now, let me show you 8 powerful phrases you can copy right away and use in the bedroom to get her very excited to be with you. So these 8 phrases always work with women, so pay attention to them. So here's number 1. I love your, and then you fill in the blank. This could be, I love your body, I love the way you smell, or I love your smell, I love your soft skin. This is a perfect opportunity to just like go crazy and use your imagination. But obviously, don't repeat the same phrase over and over again. Every now and then is gonna do the trick. Saying things like, I love your body, or I love your breasts, I love your ass, and so on, will make you and her both feel totally turned on. And because most women are quite insecure about their bodies, this type of phrase will give her like that boost of confidence, which will allow her to completely open up to you in the bedroom. So number 2, you're so wet. So male arousal is more evident than female arousal, thanks largely to visible erections. However, during sex, many women aren't aware of how wet and turned on they actually are. And interestingly enough, Telling a woman she is wet is a great way to get her even more turned on. Number 3, you turn me on so much. This is by far one of the hottest things you can say to a girl, period. This phrase works like magic because it not only makes a woman feel appreciated and desired, but it makes her feel irresistible. And we love and crave to feel that way, especially when we're in the bedroom. So these 6 words let her know that in that moment, she has the power to turn you on and make her feel the way you want to. And that is ridiculously hot, okay? Number 4, yes, easy. Just one word spoken in the right way can drive a woman wild. Like men, we women also want to feel validated in bed. We want to hear exciting and positive feedback when doing things in bed, especially when we're doing some jobs that aren't so much fun. We want to know, like you, that the stimulation we are giving is effective and that you're enjoying yourself. So if she's doing something you like, say yes, say you like it, say you want her to keep going. Trust me, she will love it and she'll keep going and do a better job. Number 5, you look so sexy when. You look so sexy when you go down on me. You look so sexy when you bend over like that. You look so sexy when you wear that black lingerie. It is a direct and powerful way to show that you find her sexy. The word sexy holds a lot of power in a sexual situation, and we love hearing it. It turns us on like big time. Another slight variation of this phrase could be, you sound so sexy when you moan. And that's also a great phrase to use to increase her arousal and your own. So you should definitely give it a try. Okay. Number 6, I want to see you come. Hearing that your partner wants to give and see you receive pleasure is a great source of excitement for any woman. So saying this phrase while doing all the necessary actions to give her an orgasm will maximize her chances of reaching climax. By the way, if you want to know how to make a woman orgasm, you should watch the video I did on the 6 things that women crave in bed but don't tell you. That video is going to give you a clear idea on what actions will increase her chances of getting a powerful toe-curling orgasm that leaves her weak in the knees. And I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you can check it out after completing this video. Don't leave now because this is really good. We're going to go on to number 7. I want you right now. So you can use this phrase before sex to make it clear to your partner that you desire them then and there. And by telling her that you want her in that moment, you can be sure she is going to be excited to be with you. It's a really powerful phrase which triggers an instant turn on. Number 8, take it off. Giving directions to a woman during sex and foreplay is a surefire way to get her excited. And the reason this particular phrase is so good is because there is an unexplainable pleasure in taking your clothes off according to your partner's orders. Or better yet, having your clothes taken off for you, like in the movies. Oh my God, it's amazing. The pleasure of being undressed, along with the knowing that your partner desires your naked body to feel bare skin, is guaranteed to make her weak in the knees. So that concludes our list of phrases you can start using right away. Super easy, super PG, and super fun. These 8 phrases are guaranteed to turn your woman on and get her like so aroused in the bedroom. Plus, they also serve as examples of the overarching principle at play here. The principle that women get turned on by feeling desired, that showing your appreciation and your desire for her are gonna make her go crazy. So you have these 8 examples that you can use right away, but don't limit yourself to these. Like, don't get stuck in these because I said so. You understand the principle now. So make up your own phrases and sentences based on what I've shared here, and don't overthink it. Now, if you've been one of the silent types who has never talked dirty before, this isn't really dirty, but who's never talked before and feel embarrassed to try it, don't worry. So I have an exercise that's gonna help you get over your discomfort. It's actually super simple and basic. All you have to do is conduct solo practice sessions in the comfort of your own home. Get yourself in the mood by picturing a sexual encounter, and you can use porn for this, but I say stick to your imagination if you can. And while you're getting turned on, practice saying a couple of these phrases out loud. Don't half-ass it. You're by yourself. If you can't be comfortable with yourself, how are you gonna be comfortable with her? Say it like you mean it. So in terms of delivery, do not rush and speak like how I'm speaking, in a slow voice like this. I want you right now. Or you turn me on so much. See, slow voice with certainty. and pride. Do this a couple of times over the next couple of weeks and get those reps in. And I am sure that your shyness around this is going to start to fade away. It'll become easier. You'll be more comfortable with your words and phrases like these coming out of your mouth. And moreover, if you'd like to know more words and phrases that turn women on, in fact, if you'd like the ability to come up with fun, flirty things to say to women in every stage of dating, not just in the bedroom, then you should check out my best-selling course, The F Formula, which is a no BS program which hands you the most effective formula for flirting with women. From friendly banter to highly sexual flirting, you'll be able to do it all without hesitation once you know the F formula. So it's easy to master because everything is laid out in simple, actionable steps. Even a guy hasn't ever talked to a woman can master the F formula within a couple of weeks. It is truly that simple. And the best part is, thousands of my students already use it to get numbers and dates and like the hottest sexual encounters with amazing, beautiful women. So there is no reason why it cannot do the same for you. So click the link in the description below, check out the F formula. It is the ultimate shortcut to becoming an expert at flirting. But anyways, thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found it useful. As always, I will see you next week.